morning, everyone. So, welcome to my pack with me. I need to stop doing those quotations. Pack with me video. As you can see, I am dressed for work, so this is literally rushing packing because I work 4 days in a row this week, and I know I won't have time to pack before my trip, and my flight is very early Friday morning. So not to leave it for the last minute, I'm just gonna do a quick pack with me. I'm not checking in any luggage, so it's literally just this one bag. It's my Samsonite that I got on sale, of course. And I got this earlier this year I got. And Nico wants to come inside. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I'm taking with me as far as shirts go. Nico did quiet down a bit so I can do it really quickly. So these are all from Walmart that I recently got. Where I'm going is obviously cold already, in the 50s and 60s, mostly 50s, maybe even 40s. Anyway, this is the top I got from Ross a week or two ago. So I try not to overpack, but I also try to leave myself an option, like 1 or 2 shirts, just in case I end up staying a day for whatever the reason, maybe a delay, maybe I just want to change my clothes. Also, when I'm leaving, I might wear a long sleeve anyway, so this kind of covers my travel wear to and from my destination. And then this is kind of like, it's not really fancy, but it's a little more, I think it makes it more of a statement than any of this stuff, but you know, it's not, I'm just going on a casual trip. It's not really anything crazy, so that's what I'm taking with me. Over here, I just have this bag I got recently in Target. I wanted, as much as I love purses and things of that nature when traveling because it looks fashionable and it looks so cute, after traveling for quite some time, especially this year, I feel like it's just so much of a hassle to have just a purse over your shoulder while you're trying to juggle whatever else is in your hand, and then you have like a bottomless pit and you can't find anything, and all your chargers and wires and all your devices are all mixed up and you're losing earbuds and stuff. So long story short, I decided to get a bag. It's still cute, has my favorite color in it, which is the pink, and I love gray. And I love the 2 combinations. So this backpack is called Trans by JanSport. I never heard of this brand, but I figured I'd give it a try because I've had JanSports in the past for school and they never let me down. So the straps are slightly padded, which is really nice. And then inside it does have a laptop sleeve. So that's really helpful for if I want to take devices. I'm contemplating taking my laptop, but I'm definitely taking my iPad mini, so at least I can just slip all my devices in here anyway, just to have it organized and I know where I'm going when I need to look for it. This is my neck pillow that I got on one of my last trips. And where's the other stuff? Okay, so then it has this from Pocket here, which I don't have anything currently. And then in this pocket, I just threw in the new selfie stick that I bought from Target. Still haven't tested it out yet, but I guess I have all the waiting a whiles in the airport to try that out. And then here is, these are the instructions to the selfie stick. Here is my charger. It's actually pretty long, which I really like because sometimes some newer model airplanes do have a place to plug in your wall charger, and sometimes it's not long enough. You want to use your phone and, you know, charge at the same time. So I got a new longer one. And then this is a new dual wall charger that I got because my last one, which was like a hot pink, actually broke a few months ago, and I haven't found one to replace it at a reasonable price. This was only $5. The other ones I've seen are like 20 and up, so that's just too much. So, and over here, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to organize my toiletries and my makeup and stuff. So this is like my perfume. It's a roll-on. I forgot who it's by, actually. I got it last year. No, 2 years ago in the summer. No, it was last year. Anyway, I got it a while ago, so I really don't remember. If I do remember, I'll link it down below. If not, then that means I really just truly forgot, because it was a sample, because I wasn't sure which scent to go with, so the store just said, I'll give you a little roll-on and you can think about it. And I really enjoy this one more than the actual perfume that I ended up purchasing. And this is a little dirty, so I am going to clean that. But I literally just took it out to show you guys. This is my carrying case for my toothbrush, for my Philips. And it's so cute because it's like the blush rose gold pinky. This is another empty bag. It comes in a set. I have like 5 of these, I think, or 6. It came in a set. I don't need all of them, but they are great for travel, just to organize whatever, you know, hair products, makeup, toiletries, all that stuff. But I am just taking this small suitcase, so there really isn't any room to put in all that stuff. So I gotta just take the bare necessities. And this is a carry-on approved bag, so I'm going to put like all my liquid stuff in here, you know, toothpaste, perfume, creams, and I think makeup too I need to put in there. I'll see how it goes. And then like just whatever else random, like my toothbrush and maybe some jewelry that I might wear and hair ties, I'll put in this one. And then this will just have all the other bigger bulky stuff that I don't want to like entangle or spill over into anything. And as for shoes, I don't like to carry with a lot of shoes, especially when it's just a carry-on and that I'm not checking in. I'm probably just gonna wear some black sneakers. I haven't even gone through that yet, but the most important thing was to kind of get the shirts in order. Jeans, I'm probably just gonna grab like 3 or 4 of them. Okay, so this is a little more filled up. So I have all of my tops and bottoms that I'm gonna wear, including what I'm gonna wear to go, to leave in. And I have socks. I like to choose, I took this tip from a friend actually, pick socks that are like really worn out and dirty and ready to throw away. And that way when you're on your trip, you just throw the socks away and it kind of frees up some space. So then if you buy souvenirs, it fits in your suitcase. So I just literally took all my socks that are ready to be thrown away, and I'm just going to throw them away after I wear them over there. Some underwear, bras of course. Now, even though I'm bringing that as my carry-on, as my personal carry-on, while I'm over there, I'm not going to really, like, that just doesn't go with anything, and it's too big, and I'm not going to carry a whole bunch of stuff. So here is my purse. I was contemplating on either bringing this one or my Kate Spade one, which actually matches my passport wallet, but I can fit more stuff in this one because the other one is pretty small. I'm just really tempted just because it's pink and it matches everything, but then I would have to like carry around with my vlogging equipment, and that doesn't fit in the other bag. So I'll just show you really quickly. This is my Kate Spade purse, and it is so super cute. Yeah, I'm like really tempted on just taking these two and then figuring out what I'm gonna do about the vlogging equipment here. So yeah, that's still in the mix, but at least I have the majority of my packing done, my clothes, which is sometimes the hardest thing. But now I have to pick out my toiletries and my makeup, what's going and what's staying, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I pretty much figured out all of my toiletries. So in here I have all of my pills, which include my vitamins, some Excedrin if I have a headache or migraine, and my thyroid medication. I have my warm weather gear here that my cold weather gear here that I'm probably going to put in my backpack just so I have it accessible when I reach my destination because it will be cold over there. These are all my toiletries, which include all of the liquid items that I'm going to use for my makeup, if I even remember to use makeup. Lots of times I carry makeup in case I go somewhere nice, which I doubt this trip, and then I end up not using it. So, but all of it fit nicely in here. And then this just has all of my other makeup essentials that, oh, I should probably put these in here too. I don't know if these are included as liquid or not, but I can always move that over. And some wipes, and then of course these will fit nicely in here. Here's my hairbrush, a couple of things I have to keep out because I'm just going to use them before I actually travel, but at least I can have easy access to. And then that big bag over there I ended up not needing because I'm just going to take my smaller toothbrush here, so I don't have to carry with so much. And that pretty much concludes it. And my knapsack has some things that I don't need to use. It has my pillow, it has my selfie stick, it has my charger and the charger wire, which I'm just going to put all my electronic stuff in there so it doesn't get tangled up. And then my passport wallet. And even if I don't need to use my passport for ID, like I know if it's just a domestic trip, I kind of just like to carry with it anyway. I don't know, in case you never know if you need to flee the country, right? All right, good morning. So have you ever been late to be early somewhere? That's me right now. I literally had the most productive morning. I'm not much of a late night cleaner, so I set my alarm to get up super early, or earlier than usual today, so I had time to kind of take care of a couple of things that I won't get a chance to do later on this week because I am leaving to fly out of town. I started to wash my clothes. I didn't have really any scrubs to last me for the rest of this week, and I kind of like, to have clean clothes ready for me for when I get back. I absolutely despise washing clothes when I come back from a vacation. Just anytime you go away and you come back home, I hate coming home to do chores and a messy house and things like that. So I literally got up, put laundry to start, loaded up the dishwasher because I didn't do it last night, and started, I vacuumed. I even washed my sheets, so my bed is made but not really made because the sheets are actually drying right now. I put them to dry right when I left the house. And I even had to record my little pack with me video. So I did that. I also cleaned up the cat room a bit, changed their litter, food, water, cleaned up Miko's stuff too. I did manage to have my cup of coffee. I didn't get to take my vitamins yet. I actually brought it with me, and I brought some little almond biscuits with me too, so I'm probably just gonna have another cup of coffee quickly when I get to work, and then I'm gonna have it with a biscuit because I really didn't need anything. I had planned on making some avocado toast with poached eggs because I love that, but I didn't have time to do it. I got caught up in doing my video, and then I got a phone call and I was dealing with that, and it was just kind of, bim bam boom. Yes, I managed to shower and get ready all before all that excitement happened because I was up super early. I was trying to get all of that in and do my eyebrows before work. Clearly that's not happening today, which is okay. I think I can wait till Wednesday morning to do it before work because that way they last me a little longer. I'm still contemplating on bringing my laptop, but I'm still kind of, YouTubing incognito. I mean, if my friends find out I'm doing it, it's either because they're actually reading my posts on Instagram and Facebook, or because I tell them flat out, hey, I YouTube as a hobby. Go watch my videos when you're bored. So it's just kind of embarrassing to say that. If they discover it, they discover it. But it's discover it, but don't tell me that you did. Don't tell me that you watched them. I really don't want to know yet because I'm still really embarrassed and stuff about it. I will talk to you guys later. I don't know if I'll vlog anything after today because not really much is going on. You know, it's just work, home. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, please hit like down below, and if you want to see more, then click on subscribe. Thank you.